Students, welcome to video lecture series of Artificial Intelligence and Intelligent System provided by St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, affiliated to Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, approved by Government of India, AICTE. I am Ms. Pritishri Patnaik, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. In today's video lecture series, we will be continuing with the Unit 1 topics, that is the applications of AI and types of AI and also the historical analysis. So let's begin with our class. As in the last lecture, we have already discussed about the definition of artificial intelligence, what is the importance of artificial intelligence, and basically to a layman content, we come to know that a machine who is able to perform the task that is given by the user or human being, that they doesn't have their own capability of thinking. So moreover, the scientists and the researchers and the software developers, they are under the working process to develop such the machine in a way that is going to give a comparative study that how a human being thinking can be inserted as like a intelligent system, like the way human beings are approaching to the work, same way the intelligent system or the artificial intelligence, the robot should be performed or behave like a human being to complete the task. So in today's lecture, as we'll be briefing out what all the applications of AI as well as with the part of historical and maturity level of artificial intelligence, also what are the types of artificial intelligence study is there. Okay, so as we say about the application, artificial intelligence has come across with the n numerous type. Like everywhere we come across with the field of AI recently, it become the essential for today's day-to-day work to solve the complex problem and give you the best efficient way of decision making system. And we come across with many fields of AI recently, as in the diagram it is clearly been depicted. Let's start with we have a clear picture of studying of astronomical data, that is the satellitical data or the data that data scientists are still working to make the study of the outer space of the world. Okay, and it has a great impact in the field of medical, transportation, agriculture, education, e-commerce, and then the field of entertainment, robotics, automobile industries, social networking sites, data security, finance, gaming, and many more. So let's have a brief about all. In the field of astronomy, artificial intelligence can be very useful to solve the complex problem that is existing in the world of universe. Like as we say, in the part of universe, the data is not been constant, they are always in a rotatory motion. So AI techniques are very fruitful for the researchers to develop the algorithm and the searching scenario of all the particles or the objects that come across in the field of astronomy. Then next, the part of healthcare. When we say about the healthcare, we come across with the medical science, where the development of neuron, genetic algorithm, neural network, and many other things are been fruitful to applicable of artificial intelligence to study the healthcare basis. In upcoming with the last 5 years of time, it is most advantageous in the field of health industry. Significantly, the impact of studying the different pattern of the diseases that are occurring helps to diagnose complex diseases like cancer treatment and MRI scanners, machines, and many other things. AI also help the doctor to diagnose by developing the intelligent system apps, also intelligent system agents that will be working same as comparable to a human being or like a human doctor. In the field of game, artificial intelligence has given the many strategic plan and problem solving techniques, like when we say about chess, and we come across with many games that are played in the field of using the Android phones or online gaming too. In the field of finance, as we say, this is the best method by taking a good decision making support system that match with the future expectation. The finance industry is also implementing the part of automation, chatbot, and active intelligence system, algorithm trading, machine learning into the field of finance and costing analysis. In the field of data security, as we say, the world is having unlimited of data that are what is still existing into 2020 era, and what is going to be in the field of 2025, or like when we say about 2050. The data has to be more secured by the users and for the users. Then only the artificial intelligence is going to be more fruitful. And the security of data is a very crucial job for each and every field of every individual, in the field of company, in the field of cyber security attacks, and many more. Rapidly, the data is been growing. Data scientists, many R&D employees are still working, and AI is giving a very good platform. As we say about the AgeBot, like A12 platforms are also used like a good software bug tracker or the cyber attackers in order to obstruct them. In the field of social media, artificial intelligence makes the comfortable with the platform of Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and many other that where abundant number of users can make the efficient way of utilization, organizing, managing the massive amount of data, synchronizing them with the latest trends of hashtagging requirements, and many other. In the field of travel and transport, AI is in high demand, also capable to related mapping with the servers that mostly used in the field of booking the air tickets or like hotels or flights, and the best output performance given down by the customer services. Travel industry are now been using the chatbot, which will be a like human like interaction with the customer for the fastest response. In the field of automobile industries, as we say about the Tesla, last also we have discussed about Tesla bot. It is a virtual assistance intelligent system that has developed where an human being or human driver is not required to drive the car. It is a self-driven car, and just users need to put the destination point in that car, and they are going to sit it on. In most of the place of America, this is automobile industry has already launched these vehicles where this is the intelligent and the robotic interference by, and also in the field of IoT, that is intelligent of the technology, Internet of Technologies. In the field of robotics, artificial intelligence has a remarkable role of robotics. Usually general robots are programmed in such a way that they are going to be a repetitive task, but that when we say about the help to artificial intelligence, intelligence systems are going to be more fruitful as comparable to human brain, and also the knowledge based system has to be a predefined. Humanoid robots are the best examples of AI in the robotics field. Recently, intelligent humanoid robot named as Erica and Sophia has been developed, which talk like a human being and behave like a human being. In the field of entertainment, we currently come across with the AI based application in every day-to-day life, with such services that are provided by Netflix or Amazon with the help of machine learning or AI algorithm. These are the services how to recommendation for the programs or the source that every users can be fruitfully see through their devices. Agriculture, in the field of agriculture also, artificial intelligence is providing various resources to the laborers, saving the time and money with the best result. Nowadays agriculture is becoming a digital, and AI is the emerging field in the field of agriculture. Agriculture is also, the field AI can be implemented by agriculture robots, so that solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis of the crop cycles can be easily understood and help a farmer. In the field of e-commerce, as we say, it's providing a competitive edge in the field of e-commerce industry. It is becoming more demandable nowadays, as everybody are depending upon the online service provided through, like we come across with Big Basket or Amazon or Flipkart and etc. In the field of education sector, if we could say, like artificial intelligence is the upcoming research domain for every individual students, whether they are planning to go with the higher study in the field of researchers or like developing in any of the computer based application jobs. So we'll follow up with the next topic of today's lecture, that is how this existence of artificial intelligence came into the world. And we come across in the last lecture that during the Second World War, the computer machine was developed by the Alan Turing test, that it was basically used to compute the conversation of the German language into, that is the basic friction or like the basic fundamental of the NLP that has provided, like how a machine is going to be interact. Can a machine think? That is also the primitive part of the artificial learning. how do a human being is going to be interact with a machine. The way a human being is thinking, same way can an intelligent system or intelligent machine can think like that. Artificial intelligence is not a new word that came, it is already available in the past decade also, but the thing is that slowly this is going to be more fruitful, more advanced nowadays. The technology is much older, like a machine. In previous world, like in ancient time, it is also saying that it's a mythological, or like we say it's only a myth. Robots are synonym to the mechanical man. In some country they used to say that robots are the mechanical mans that are developed by the engineers only. They are able to compare the work schedule of a human being same way. So let's have a picture of the taxonomy of the history, or like the part of the area of the generation of artificial intelligence. Since 1943, the evolution of artificial neuron was first started. In 1950, Turing machine was developed by the Alan Restall. In 1956, it was given down a conference and approval for that. First chat box Eliza, which was introduced in 1966, that is the fruitful of interaction of NLP system. In 1972, the first intelligent robot Wowbot, that is the one, was released. In 1974 to 1980, first binaural applications that we'll study once again. This is all part in the field of neural network, that how actually this is going to be evaluated. And expertise system started developing in the year of 1980. In 1987 to 1993, this is during the period of Second World War, again the evaluations are continued. In 1997, IBM has developed the first computer beta version released to how to play a chess, like how to play a chess game over there. In 2002, Robia is the robot that is designed for the human home appliances. In 2011, IBM at Boston developed the winner quiz competition by using this. Further, in 2012, Google Now, it was been established with many new features, Google Earth and all this. In 2014, chatbot engine, it was the Turing test. Again, it is the effective way of the Turing test given in 2014, and Amazon Echo is the 2015 evolution. But still, it's more and more are there. It is only a basic picture that I have been given down here. So the maturation level of artificial intelligence, this is the era in between 1943 to 1952. In the year of 1943, the first work was recognized by the scientists in the field of artificial intelligence, that is the Warren Malloch and the Walter Pitts. Probably they have given down the new model of artificial neurons. In the field, when we will study the subject of neural network, we will have a clear picture about it. In 1949, Donald Hurst demonstrated another rule for modifying the strength between the neural, that is the Hebbian's learning method, that how a machine is going to be learn more fruitfully. In the year of 1950, the Alan Turing, who is established mathematically pioneered machine, that is the computation machinery to the intelligent system. He proposed a test also, that this test is come across with the name of Turing test. In the year of 1952 to 56, this is mostly come across with an Alan Newell and Hubbard Ashimon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named after that logistic theorist. And the program provided like 32 to 52 mathematical theorems are more efficiently with proof based, easily applicable in the field of computer science. In 1956, the word intelligent system first adopted by an American computer scientist John McAtee, and he demonstrated that AI is the upcoming generation for the human being. In the golden period of artificial intelligence started in the year of 1956 to 1974. Basically, the researchers emphasis on developing the algorithm to solve the complex problem in the field of mathematics and science, and they introduced the name like the first robot that they introduced, that is the Eliza. In 1972, they started with the building another robot introduced by Japan, that is the Wowbot 1. In first of all, in 1974 and 1980, they started with developing the first AI winner take all concept, and they come across with the time period where computer science are mostly dealing with the shortage of the funding part, and also the government researchers has been establishing many projects under the impact of the government related. The boom sector, like the boom of artificial intelligence, came into existence more in the year of 1980 to 87. The artificial intelligence during this period come back with the expertise system, that more fruitful expertise and good decision capability system as comparable to human being. In 1980, the first national conference was held on with the field of artificial intelligence in the Stanford University. Nextly, in 1987 to 1993, during this year of time, the second AI winter duration was started, and it was also come across with the more efficient way of the expertise system or the intelligence system that are used. The emerging technologies in the field of started arena with 1990s. In 1997, IBM developed the Blue Bits chess champion Greg Kasparov. These are some of the competitions that helps with the technique of artificial intelligence. In 2002, Romania vacuum cleaner was introduced. In 2006, like e-commerce sites are been the very fruitful to use the AI techniques. Company like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix are also started the techniques implementing through AI. Next, the era is also been started with deep learning, big data. Once it started with 2010 onwards. In 2011, in the year of 2011, IBM Boston won the Geopardy quiz competition, and they solving the complex questions by the methods of using the reasoning, using the part of predicate logics, propositional, and solving the understanding easy NLP system with this platform. In 2012, the part of Google Assistant was being provided. In 2012, Google was launched. An Android app features Google Now has been provided all the basic prediction that will be helpful for the navigations and all. Further, in 2014, the chatbot Eugen Costin computation famous Turing test was fruitful. In 2018, the project Debater IBM has been conducted the virtual assistants, and many more projects are still under the field of research and development, where the implementation of artificial intelligence is going to be fruitful, and many data science researchers are now trending. This is a boom field. Companies like Google, Facebook, IBM, Amazon creating amazing devices that are going to help to interact, to give a platform for interaction of human being directly with the machine level. So as we are saying about intelligence, types of intelligence, dear, when we are studying about artificial intelligence, we should know about what are the types of intelligence also. Moreover, the artificial intelligence is broadly classified, or the taxonomy categorized based upon the capability and the functionality of AI. When we say about the capability and functionality, artificial intelligence is now categorized into type 1 and type 2 level. When we say it is about the type 1 level, that is categorized more, that is the narrow AI, general AI and strong AI. When we say about the type 2 of artificial intelligence, it is the reactive machine, limited memory theory, theory of mind and self-awareness. So let's have a clear discussion about it, how this type 1 and type 2 are exactly working. Artificial intelligence on the base of capability, we have been classifying into three categories: narrow or like weak AI, or strong AI, or generalized AI. Now what is weak AI or the narrow AI? Narrow artificial intelligence is a type of artificial intelligence which is able to perform a dedicated task with the intelligence. The most common and currently used this mechanism in the world is till now. We are been confined with the narrow artificial intelligence, and also the narrow artificial intelligence cannot perform beyond the field of its limitation. As the way the human being is going to train the robot, the same way the robot is going to give a fruitful result. Hence the name term as a weak AI or the narrow AI, and sometimes it is going to give you the unpredictable way, saying the limits or the uncertainty when it's exists. For example, the best example of the weak, or like we come across with the Apple Siri and also Google Assistants. It is limited to the performance that is given down by the user, and yet it is also started implementing the various NLP system and machine learning algorithm too. What about the general? When we say about the general like artificial intelligence, this is the type which could perform any intelligent task with the efficiency like a human being. This is the generalized case. The idea behind the general artificial intelligence is such a way that the system could be smarter than the human being by its own. Currently, there is no such machines has could be developed, but scientists are still working to develop a system which can work as similar as to a human being. The researchers are now in focus of developing such machines, which is going to be fruitful for the human generation also. Super AI, like as the word super in the sense, it has to be an intelligent machine with more superficial brain or super brain as comparable to human brain. And also the systems at which the machine could be suppress human intelligence and can perform the task much better than in a cognitive properties as comparable to human being. Some key characteristics of strong AI include the capability like think to resolve, solve the complex problem, take a good decision making system, solve the uncertainty of the probability factor, and many other things are there. This is like the real picture of type 1. Narrow AI, it is dedicated to one particular task by the help of an expertise system. When we say about the general AI, it performs the task as similar to the human being. The intelligent body is going to work as similar to the human being. Super AI, like the super artificial intelligence, the intelligent system or the intelligent robot is going to be more in the terms of more intelligent as compared to the field of human being. Then type 2 category, the artificial intelligence that based on the field of functionality. Previously we work on the field of performance level. Here what is the type of functionality basis we will be classifying the artificial intelligence. Reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Okay. Now when we say about reactive machines, purely reactive machines are most basically type of artificial intelligence. Such artificial system do not store memory or the past experience of the future part. Okay, they are mostly work on the field of dynamic phase. The machines only focus about the current scenarios and react accordingly that with a good decision making system. Like IBM Deep Blue system is the best example, and Google AlphaGo is the best example for this. Limited memory is the next part. Machines that stores the past experiences, some data for some period of time. The machine can store the data for limited period and give you the best output. For example, like Tesla, self-driving cars are one of the best example for this, to store the data for limited system. These cars are stored recent speeds of nearby car, distance, and speed limit mapping also. Theory of mindset, like to understand the human emotions, people beliefs, and interacting with the social method like to a human being. This type of artificial machines is still not yet developed, but researchers are making a lot of effort for the improvement and to develop such a machine where human emotion can be easily introduced to a robot or the intelligent system. Now about the self-awareness. Self-awareness artificial intelligence is the future of upcoming, let's say, era. The machines will having the super intelligent body and will be have its own consciousness, semantics or sentiment analysis or augmented analysis of the self-awareness, trying to solve the complex problem. They also have the same thinking like human being used to think before doing. The learning phase is also introduced, and AI does not reality depend upon the hypothetical concept, but will make everything in the phase of reality, that this is going to fruitful for them. So dear students, for today's lecture we have covered the applications of artificial intelligence, history and evolution of artificial intelligence, and moreover the category or the classification of AI, that is in type 1 category and type 2 category. In some of your questions pattern that you come across in the field of exam, university exam, you need to study out the application that is mostly asked in your long question part, and the part of history is also there, and short notes for the classifications of AI. So once again you go through with the notes, you go through with the lecture, and this is going to fruitful for you. So for today's class, thank you everybody.